Good afternoon, everyone. My kind greetings to one and all present in this meeting, especially to the conference chair, Dr. R.C. Sharmaji from B.R. Ambedkar University, Delhi, and Dr. Dursinji from Haran University, who provided all of us to join this opportunity and enabled us to get to the different aspects of AI. I am Dr. Rajesh Hooda from Department of Laws, Bhagat Phul Singh Mahila Vishwavidyalaya, Kanpur, in India. Co-author of this paper is Dr. Dinesh Kumari. She is my colleague in BPSMV, having experience in library sciences. I value her contribution to formulate the problem and coming to the findings. The title of the paper is The Legal Implications and the Impact of Artificial Intelligence in Higher Education in India. The paper is including the impact and legal implications of artificial intelligence, and a survey was conducted to assess the impact, use, and the implications. Twofold problems are shared by the students and teachers while using AI. Problem one is seen with the transformation of the technology every day. And transformation is always challenging, and to attune to the digital and technical transformation is found more demanding and more challenging. Lack of awareness about the advantages and the use of AI is restricting its intended users to avail its benefits. Secondly, the implications and the legalities that users fear to invite for inadvertent violation of policies and laws while using AI lack the users to make use of AI. They apprehend that implications may arise out of IPR domain and research integrity. It means discussions and awareness are required on possible implications and ways to avoid this. We tried to reach to the problems and possible solutions with the AI users in higher education. How AI system afford to reach learners at the grassroots level in the near future, what is expected from higher education institutions in India in the next decade to boost the use of AI, and how does the policy framework of higher education respond to the legal implications and fears? We tried to find the answers of all these questions. Observation method is used to collect the experiences from teachers, students, and other stakeholders of various universities regarding AI and the desirable trends in the future. AI is experienced by new users in education, especially those engaged in humanities and social sciences, as having lack of practical approach, lack of technical knowledge and unawareness, lack of training for both the students and the teachers, and there is also financial issues with many students who are not able to afford the necessary gadgets for AI education and system has no planning to serve their needs. Lack of augmented reality app designs and development standards is also faced by many teachers and the students as a problem. Lack of resources and training is felt as the technology is evolving and changing very rapidly. What higher education is doing in times of AI? AI has experienced major developments in recent years and represents an emerging technology that will revolutionize the ways in which human beings live. The technology is already being introduced in the field of higher education. AI is bringing revolution in the field of education. Its application can work as assistant to the teachers and conserve save their time by doing customary tasks like taking attendance, evaluating tests, presentation of study material, easy navigation of content on screens, proving links for educational videos, grading, etc. In this way, a teacher can wisely use their time on improvement of the weak areas of their subject knowledge, and this will aid in filling the void that exists between the teaching and learning process. India has come out with its new education policy. NEP in India also envisages inclusion of multidisciplinary skills and grapple to the specific needs of the students. AI can definitely be a role maker as it would facilitate both teachers and the learners. To meet the expectations of the present and prospective users, higher education governing bodies has taken certain steps and initiatives to promote the use of AI and to avoid its misuse, which is considered a big fear in the minds of expected users. AI in the higher education and role of using role of UGC in promoting the AI is very crucial. The UGC has tied up with the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology to integrate the e-resources with their over 7.5 lakh common service centers and special purpose vehicle centers to offer these courses from the forthcoming academic sessions. UGC, in its new regulation and guidelines, notified that the distance online degrees from recognized institutions shall be treated at par with the conventional degrees. BCI and ICSSR not yet have come up with any specific guidelines or any plans to promote AI, but they will do so in near future. AI is a powerful tool and technique, and with great power comes great responsibilities. AI is the power that needs continuous regulation to ensure that there is no misuse. The foremost concern of AI is data protection and the safety. The sensitive information, research findings of a user can be exposed in the process and become a threat. This may create new legal and proprietary issues. A user finds all these tough strands while using AI and expect to be designed in a way that assures their privacy and protection. The legal concerns are well taken care of at international and national front. Law is taking its course to avoid every possibility of the misuse of AI. At international front, European Union is one of the regulatory bodies which is working on the framework of the laws and the amendments related to AI. One of the regulations by the European Union is the General Data Protection Regulation, which helps in the protection of personal data and provides privacy and safety to its user. It provides various rights, duties, provisions, and principles, as well as the remedies regarding various issues arising out of the use of AI. AI and regulatory framework in India also responding well to the demands of the users. India is not lagging behind and striving to come up with effective regulations. In 2017, one of the steps taken to safeguard the people was the introduction of the right to privacy as a fundamental right, shielded under the Indian Constitution. Justice Shri Krishna Committee recommends the government for introduction of privacy laws. A personal data protection bill has been drafted in 2019, and once it is passed by both the houses of the parliament, it will become a law. The Government of India has prioritized building up a digital India and has launched various schemes related to AI. Niti Aayog has adopted a three-jagged theory to support AI. It is aiming to initiate projects which involve the foolproof concept of AI. It is trying to build an atmosphere and ecosystem of AI in India. Niti Aayog is also focusing the collaborations with contributors and professionals. In 2018, the Planning Commission of India, Niti Aayog, introduced the National Strategies on Artificial Intelligence. Various provisions regarding applications of AI were discussed by the Niti Aayog and NSAI. The Niti Aayog report suggests that setting up a panel consisting of the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and the Department of Industrial Policy, will definitely address many of the problems. And its promotion will look over the regulations needed in intellectual property laws. It also focused the introduction of legal networks for data protection, security, and privacy. Another initiative taken by Niti Aayog is the establishment of AIRAVAT, AI Research, Analytics and Knowledge Assimilation Platform. It is an approach paper given by the senior advisor Anna Roy, who recommends AI specific cloud computing infrastructure. As India has relied on cloud based AI, Eravat talks about requirements for the ideal use of AI. Eravat is bringing up a specialized AI structure and atmosphere that will aid the computing needs of the centers of research excellence, international centers of transformational AI, startups on campuses, researchers, students, and various innovation hubs. The task force will keep a check on funding and the program approaches. Funding for Eravat will be done by the National Supercomputing Mission. Coming to the end, some suggestions are outlined in the present scenario where AI is grounded and promised to enhance the efficiency of all involved. There should be short term programs and courses for awareness and training of the faculty and the students. UGC and Higher Education Directorate, ICSSR, and BCI can play active role in popularizing the use of AI by extending grants and scholarships for AI workshops and training programs. Cross sectoral collaborations are required, like to handle safe platform. The regulatory bodies of higher education, UGC, and the technical streams should join hands and create a desirable system. Additionally, IPR law is a big deal to ensure and that can serve the needs of the data protection and privacy of data. Changes should be introduced in teaching scheme and structure by acknowledging equal grades and credits for promotion of AI based teaching and learning. AI can create new jobs in higher education for AI experts to assist teachers and students if they desire so. Expert help should be available in higher educational institutions. Awareness of laws and regulations regarding use of AI can make the users confident in higher education as they will be able to avoid the violation of the norms either in research and further developments. With all this, I thank you all. And if any queries, you are welcome. I would try to answer. Thank you all once again.